So with inspection, sometimes it's the things that aren't there that are the most important things for me to find. It's not always just seeing something and saying, oh, that's broken, hey, go fix that. Sometimes you need somebody that's gonna find the stuff that's not there, or maybe it's installed incorrectly. I'll show you what I mean. Let's go to the garage.
All right. So we're gonna leave a lot of this in the video so you can see the way we really work. We just gotta get the job done.
Okay, so one of the things that we're always looking for are safety items, and it doesn't matter to me how much it costs to fix the safety item. It still needs to be fixed, and especially that's the case with new construction. In this case, you look at the door, you say, it works just fine. What's wrong? The impediment sensors down here are supposed to be mounted no more than 6 inches from the ground, okay?
Can you show us, point us to one of those so what you're talking about?
So you can see here, this is about 8.5 inches off the ground. That's too high. This is here. If you have a kid out here and their ball rolls out the garage, they go out to chase it, the ball is gonna intercept the laser. You can see the light turn off, and that's gonna reverse the door, keep it from squashing the kid. Okay.